Imagine a company that's not only revolutionizing how industries operate, but is also setting new benchmarks for growth in the tech world. That's exactly what ZenaTech Inc., NASDAQ Zena, has achieved, with a jaw-dropping 500% increase in year-over-year revenue for Q2 of 2025, and over 250% growth in revenue during the first half of the year. This remarkable performance highlights the company's leadership in AI drones, drone as a service, DaaS, enterprise SaaS, and quantum computing solutions. But here's where it gets even more exciting. ZenaTech is expanding its global footprint faster than ever before, positioning itself to become an indispensable player in sectors like law enforcement, healthcare, agriculture, defense, logistics, and beyond. ZenaTech isn't just about creating cutting-edge technology. It's about solving real-world problems with practical applications. Think about drones equipped with machine learning software, AI, predictive modeling, and even quantum computing innovations. These tools are transforming everything from industrial surveillance to agricultural monitoring and national defense systems. For instance, their autonomous business drone solutions can automate inspections, enhance safety protocols, track assets efficiently, and streamline compliance processes, all while reducing costs significantly. And this is the part most people miss. These advancements aren't confined to one region. They're being deployed globally through offices in North America, Europe, Taiwan, and the UAE, with aggressive expansion plans underway in the United States. But let's talk about supply chains, because that's where things get particularly intriguing. On August 28th, ZenaTech announced the establishment of a brand new manufacturing facility in Taiwan, operated by its subsidiary, Spider Vision Sensors, SVS. This move marks a pivotal moment in ensuring a compliant global supply chain, tailored specifically for US defense customers. Why does this matter? Because relying on third-party suppliers often introduces risks related to quality control and regulatory compliance. By taking charge of sensor and motor production in-house, SVS aims to deliver NDAA-compliant components for Zena drone products used by US defense agencies and NATO partners. The 16,000 square foot facility will be operational by the end of 2025, supported by an expanded team based in Taiwan. It's moves like this that underscore ZenaTech's commitment to reliability and innovation. Now, if you thought that was impressive, wait until you hear about their recent acquisition spree. On August 26, ZenaTech signed an offer to acquire a UK-based 3D design and modeling company serving the telecom sector. This deal represents the company's first step into the European drone-as-a-service market. What makes this acquisition so compelling is the target company's expertise in advanced 3D scanning, digital twin creation, and building information modeling, tools essential for maintaining critical telecom infrastructure. Looking ahead, ZenaTech plans to leverage drones for rust remediation and spray painting services, further diversifying its offerings. Could this be the future of infrastructure maintenance? It certainly seems plausible. And then there's the Florida connection. On August 21st, ZenaTech revealed agreements to acquire 2 Florida-based companies, broadening its drone-as-a-service capabilities into aviation, defense, government, and commercial sectors. One of these acquisitions focuses on power washing services, marking ZenaTech's entry into drone-enabled cleaning solutions for airplanes, aviation facilities, and defense infrastructure. Meanwhile, the second acquisition, a land surveying firm with decades of experience, adds depth to ZenaTech's portfolio, enabling it to serve developers and home builders across Florida. With 8 completed acquisitions already under its belt, ZenaTech is well on its way to establishing 25 DaaS locations across the U.S. by mid-2026. Perhaps the boldest initiative yet is the formation of ZenaTech's Quantum Computing Division, announced on August 19th. This division is tasked with tackling some of the most complex challenges facing modern defense and autonomous drone systems today. 2 key projects stand out: Sky Traffic, which uses AI-enabled drones and quantum computing to optimize traffic flows and improve public safety. And Clear Sky, aimed at enhancing localized weather forecasts and extreme weather predictions. Such initiatives could have profound implications for both civilian and military applications. However, this raises an interesting question. How far should we push the boundaries of AI and quantum computing when it comes to defense technologies? Is there a line we shouldn't cross? To wrap up, ZenaTech's financial achievements speak volumes about its success. In Q2 2025 alone, the company reported record-breaking quarterly revenue of $2.24 million, up from $371,049 in the same period last year. Similarly, revenue for the first half of 2025 soared to $3.38 million, compared to $962,428 in 2024. These numbers reflect stellar performance across all divisions, particularly the drone-as-a-service segment, which continues to drive growth. Yet, as ZenaTech pushes forward, it invites us to consider broader questions about the role of technology in shaping our future. Do you think companies like ZenaTech are doing enough to balance innovation with ethical responsibility? Share your thoughts in the comments below.